And just in case, ladies, he puts a ring on it, your nails are done. What's up, everyone? In today's video, I will be sharing a few tips on how to always look put together in 2024. So with no further ado, let's get into the video. So tip number one is to definitely secure a relationship with God. If you don't know who God is, how are you going to know who you are? So my advice is to start to read the word if you haven't been reading the word already, and to start praying and just building a relationship with our Creator so that you'll know how He'll want you to live, His plan for your life, His will, and then your desires will start to change. Tip number two, definitely get your skincare on point this year. Like having good skin and just healthy looking skin and taking care of what you already have, taking care of the temple. See, this goes back to number one, having a relationship with God. You would know that He wants you to take care of the body He has given you. So with the temple that we already have, make sure you're investing in good skincare products that help your skin thrive and always look good, even when you don't have makeup on. For my ladies out there, I'm not saying you have to go out there and break the bank, but find products that work for you. Lately, I've been using this Cetaphil gentle skin cleanser, and I've been using it for the past 10 years, and it usually goes for about no more than maybe 10, 11, maybe $12 at Target. With that being said, my third point is to wear your makeup. Put on makeup, because I'm telling you, when you look good, you feel good. So after following up with a nice skincare routine, make sure you put on some nice makeup that may enhance what you already have, or even if you want to conceal little things that may be arising, like a little dark spot or a little acne scar from a pimple. And you can invest in some nice makeup brushes. These actually come in a set and they're from Real Techniques. Also comes with this makeup sponge, and these are what I used on my face for today. It's very subtle, but it's there. And how do I feel? I feel great. Great enough to come on this camera and give you these tips. The fourth tip is to definitely have your nails done. This goes for men and women. So have them manicured, have them trimmed, have them treated, have your cuticles looking on point. If your skin is coming off, make sure you take care of that. And I'm not saying you have to go to the nail salon. You can invest in some clippers. These are from Rite Aid. And in some nail filers. I believe these were no more than $1.29 from Target, and you get 2 of them. And just in case, ladies, he puts a ring on it, your nails are done. Okay. But what I use to achieve this look right here are these 2 nail polishes. The first one is by OPI. It's called Bubble Bath. It's like a nice nude pink. And then the second one I use on top of it is the Sally Hansen Insta Dry Confetti Pop in number 288 nail polish, and this is what it looks like. If you don't want to put any type of color on your nails, I get it. You can go for this Sally Hansen top and base coat, and let me tell you, your nails will look so glossy. This is like a lip gloss for nails. Ladies and gentlemen too. Okay, gentlemen, this is for you too. Number 5, learn how to do your own hair. If you don't want to learn or you don't have the time to learn, make sure your hair looks up to par. Right now, my hair is in a bun. This is like a donut bun, and it's from H&M. I believe it was no more than $5. Number 6 is my favorite. Get you some nice body care products that will leave your skin looking healthy, glowy, and all around great, and make you feel good too. And along with getting some nice fragrances that make you smell good, personally, I like to use this Jergens Ultra Healing Daily Moisturizer for everyday healthy looking skin. If I want to step it up a notch and I really want that glow, I use this Fenty Skin Butter Drop that'll leave my skin looking like, I don't know, it just leaves my skin looking like I left a vacation, a 5-star vacation. And it smells good too. An everyday type of fragrance I like to wear to work is this Ebony Wood, and this is from Zara. The next tip is to stay up to date with your doctor and your dentist appointment, right? Because you do all this, but if you're not healthy on the inside, how are you gonna be healthy on the outside? So definitely stay up to date with your annual physicals and your annual checkups for the dentist, because you want to be able to keep your teeth for a lifetime. And you also want to make sure that, your organs and everything inside your body is running smoothly. Staying on the topic of going to the dentist, definitely make sure you have some good oral hygiene products on hand. So in between your checkups, you can keep your teeth healthy at home and prevent anything from happening in the future. And also walk with like breath mints, or walk with something that will freshen your breath anytime you're out. Even floss, like just to remove any food products that may be left in your mouth after enjoying a nice meal. We are at number 8. Take your vitamins every morning. I like to take these vitamins from CVS. They're these adult daily vitamins, complete multivitamin, 70 come in a pack. I have been taking this CVS Health Black Elderberry to keep my immune system regulated and making sure that I don't get sick in these colder winter months. My 8th tip is to definitely get active and remain active. As far as like working out, going for a walk, or going for a run, just making sure you stay fit, stay in shape. My 9th tip is definitely to stay hydrated and make sure you get a lot of rest, so that you can always be able to conquer anything that comes your way the next day and be able to do whatever it needs to be done as far as your earthly assignment goes. But number 10 is to make sure you're dressed very well. Ladies, as far as clothing goes, make sure you present yourself in a modest and decent fashion. You can go ahead to Zara, Old Navy. I'm sure they have like nice long dresses. This is what I'm wearing today. This blazer, and I have on this dress from, I believe, I don't know, it was given to me as a gift. So, but I believe it was from Macy's. I'm not too sure, but yeah. So ladies, make sure you invest in some nice long dresses, nice long skirts. Those are my tips on how to always look put together this year. I hope these helped. And if you learned something new, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, enjoy the journey. Peace.